Hmong people travel to Laos for various reasons, some for leisure, others to reunite with family, and some to seek a fresh start after a divorce in the United States.
Every individual has a unique story. Unfortunately, there is a tendency within the Hmong community to judge or label those who choose to remarry and rebuild their lives in Laos. This gossip is often toxic and may stem from a place of envy. Ultimately, marriage is a personal choice. Everyone has the right to marry the person they love, and it should not be a matter of public scrutiny. My journey is one of those stories of going to Laos to find love and a fresh start after a difficult divorce in the United States. To protect myself from the gossip that often circulates in our community, I have summarized my experience and adjusted certain details, but the heart of the story remains the same. After more than 30 years of marriage, my ex-wife and I reached a point where we could no longer coexist. Our conflicts had become severe, eventually involving the police and resulting in jail time for me. My ex-wife initiated the divorce and filed a restraining order. Though we tried to speak one last time, it was clear our visions for the future had moved too far apart. In the end, she claimed everything we had built, the house, the assets, and the car I had used my 401k to buy. I left with nothing but my clothes and moved to Thailand. I spent nearly a year in Thailand grieving and seeking peace through prayer at Buddhist temples. Once I felt I had healed, I moved to Laos, where I met my current wife. I knew the moment I saw her that she was the one. Today, we live a beautiful life together in Vientiane with our daughter, Emily. My advice to anyone stuck in a toxic marriage or going through a painful divorce is this: if your marriage can no longer be saved, let it go. It is incredibly difficult to walk away, but it is better than living in constant torture or reaching a point of total despair.
There is a second chance at life waiting for you if you have the courage to find it.